This is the easiest way to get into the TikTok creativity program, the fastest and probably the easiest as well. Out of all the methods that I've used, from clip channels, clip pages, and everything in between, podcasts and videos like that, this is probably the easiest way that I found, and it's got the best results as well. I'm going to keep this video very raw, very unedited. I'm just going to keep it going, keep it nice and simple, no fast cuts to keep your attention. If I'm having to do fast cuts that way, then I probably don't have your attention at all. So let's get relaxed and let's just talk about the easiest way to do it. So for me, after doing pages for about half a year, probably coming up to a year now, recently I've noticed that that TikTok are pushing photos a hell of a lot more than they used to. And now I think that's probably the best way that you're ever gonna be able to grow your accounts to 10,000 followers the fastest. So I've tried this out on a few different methods. The first one that was really popular was Guess the Movie. I might pop it up here, I might not, we'll see. And it was very much essentially create a template in Canva and then just replace all the images and the text stays the same. I do about 14 images and upload that. And from the bat, it literally was 300k views, and then it just went up and up. Every single video was getting way more views, way more followers, and I think I got to 10k in about five days, I think. This was the fastest that I've ever done it at the time, and I was really happy about that, and it just really stapled in for me that photos are definitely the way to go. So I recommend starting a new account and warming it up. If you don't know how to warm up an account, it's very, very simple. You pretty much create a new email, create a new TikTok. For me, because I make so many accounts, I like to turn on, if you're doing it on your phone, turn on airplane mode, turn it back off, and that should reset your IP address. And then I do a few more steps, which isn't necessary, but I do it just because it's worked before, so I'll just do it again. And that very much is, I'll go onto a different browser, not Safari, maybe like Google Chrome, go into a private tab, make the account on the internet version of TikTok, but it's still on your phone. And then after you've done that, obviously write down in your notes, the easiest way to have your email and password so you don't forget it. And then to warm up the TikTok account itself is very simple. You just use it. TikTok, if you create an account and just start uploading videos straight away, they're gonna think that you're a bot and that you're just spamming their feeds. So the easiest thing to do is just be normal. Do what you'd normally do on any other TikTok account and watch videos. If you're going for a niche, let's say podcast clips or Guess the Movie, so you want movies, so try and like and follow people in that same niche, and then what that will do is that will pretty much solidify the TikTok's algorithm to start pushing more of those videos towards you, and then eventually you're kind of stuck in that niche. And then when you start uploading videos, it should push people to your videos that like that niche. So people are like the movie niche or the quiz niche, that kind of thing. And just do that for a couple days. You can do it 24 to 48 hours, I would say, is probably the best. From there, literally just start uploading. And I can do a few tutorials on here on how to create these type of videos. If you want to, comment below and I'll do it. That's pretty much it. Use the photos. That will get you to 10k the easiest and the fastest, without a doubt, 100%. A lot of people will say otherwise, but TikTok are really trying to push this. So if TikTok are trying to push this, it's going to be the easiest way, and they're kind of telling you this is what they're recommending. then they'll definitely push it more. I think it's like 1.9 times more people are likely to view and 2 point something times more likely to comment or something like that. So yeah, I think that's the best way to go around it at the moment. If you want any more explanation videos, I'll do some more. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you leave a like. Apparently it helps in the YouTube algorithm. I don't know too much about it, more of the short form TikTok side, but apparently it helps the algorithm. And just comment below if you need any tutorials for photos, guess the movies, clipping, anything like that, and I'll do them and put them on here. So that's it from me.